video, we'll be looking at the post-processing steps for your Trusana denture teeth. Please refer to the Trusana workflow guide for reference. Once the teeth have finished printing, we can remove them from the printer. In our case, we'll be using a stainless steel tray to minimize any mess. Unscrew the build platform and remove that entire thing from the printer. We'll be using a metal scraper at a shallow angle to scrape the teeth off of the build platform. And now we'll be using our fingers, covered with nitrile gloves of course, to remove the supports from the teeth. Gently squeeze the supports and they should separate easily from the teeth. Now we will wash the parts in isopropyl alcohol using a 2-part agitation system. First step is the dirty bath for 2 minutes, and we want to make sure to use isopropyl alcohol at 95% or higher. After 2 minutes, we can remove the parts from the dirty bath and move them over to the clean bath. Again, it's important to always make sure that you rotate out your isopropyl alcohol at regular intervals to make sure that the clean bath is always clean alcohol. After 1 minute, we'll remove those from the clean bath and put them onto a paper towel. Next, we'll use some compressed air to gently dry off any remaining alcohol that might be lingering on the teeth. Thanks for watching.